Hi, my name is Alex, from Germany, living in Bali since 6 years and taking care of a German company for sales and business development in Southeast Asia. I live a very hectic life and I wanted to seek new ways to be more conscious about life and more conscious about myself, and also seek new ways to find relaxation without drinking a glass of red wine at night, but rather to find some power within me to give me this kind of relaxation. So during this course here we learn a lot of different breathing techniques, and we learn it from different people, so we get different perception on breathing techniques, understanding that there are many ways to find your own way, to find your own way for freedom, your own way to deal with the breath. So there was not one way, many ways we could choose from. And we also get exposed to a lot of ice baths at the beginning. So I love saunas and cold water, I'm used to that. So I took the ice bath and I went head under. I came out of the ice bath and I had horrible headache. A headache that everybody told me it will stop, no worries. It didn't stop, I had to go to hospital. And basically what my MRA results say, it suggests that I have chronic small vessel ischemic changes in my brain. So they detected some spots inside my brain where the blood tissue is blocked, so some areas of my brain don't get enough blood. Basically the doctor said I have to change my lifestyle, I have to live a very healthy lifestyle, and I have to learn ways not to reduce my stress but to deal with my stress. I did not really understand why I'm here at the beginning, and now it really come to, it just falls off me, and all the tools that I need to continue to live a healthy life without headaches I learn in this course. I learn how to breathe, how to calm myself down, how to use techniques of positively stressing my system to make myself stronger and deal with stress much more relaxed, and any kind of stress. Stress from work, stress from relationships, stress from any kind of emotions. From now on I will have a very romantic relationship with the ice, because it was the ice who showed me my problem at first, and it was really scary to have this kind of headaches. I can promise you, the most scariest thing in my life. And now to realize that the ice is also the solution for this, to fix those headaches in the future. I'm really thankful for meeting all the people in this course. I'm thankful for all the support I got from Alex. He gave me everything he learned on the way. The positive stuff, the negative stuff. He's not hiding stuff. He's not hiding his own mistakes. He talks openly about everything and strengthens us to deal with our failures and mistakes that we may or not have. So a wonderful preparation, very honest, and always trying to get everybody on board in a very almost fatherly, loving atmosphere, I can say. And looking back, I can only say I got so much more than what I paid for. It's unbelievable, and I have to say, sorry I didn't believe you when you said you changed my life, because that's exactly what's happening. And I'm grateful for this second chance, and I will take it on with all I have, and I'm forever grateful.